Hello YouTube, today I'll be showing you how you can take your edits from looking like this to this, just by using these three effects. Start by adding CC to your clips. You can use whatever CC you like. I'll be going with a real simple one. Here it is. Here's the second clip. And on top of that, you're gonna need to add another adjustment layer. Add the noiser 3 to it. And what you're gonna do is put the preserve detail to 100, smooth colors to around 80, 70, 70, 84%, and reduce noise to 80, or and put reduce noise to 68%. Then put on the sharpen amount to around 26, 28. Radius, just make sure that you don't go overboard with it, just a little bit, to kind of keep it around 2. Now another effect you're gonna use is detail preserving, upscale, and put on the detail to 100, reduce noise to 70%. You can already notice that these harsh edges are kind of getting softened up. So if I remove this, this is what it looks like before and after adding detail preserving. And the last effect you're gonna add is unsharp mask. Now you're gonna make a duplicate of it, and first mask is gonna be low amount. The amount is gonna be same, but the radius is going to be different. So for the first one, you're gonna keep it around 12 or 10% like this, and for the next one, make sure the amount is same and make it a higher value like 100, 110. Now if I show you this, this is what it looked like before unsharp mask and after unsharp mask. Now if I show you the whole clip, just by adding these four effects, really three effects, but you cannot get the idea, right? Just by adding these four effects, you're taking your CCs, your color corrections, from looking like this. This is, by the way, just the CC, right? It looks good. It's okay, but adding those four effects is making it more crisp kind of feel, and they already look good, right? Just look how good it looks, right? Now one thing I would suggest you do is uh make sure that you don't go overboard with it, right? So this clip looks fantastic, but the next clip, it might not work as you expect it to, right? As you can see here, these blocks are showing up, right? They're not appealing to the eye of the viewer, so you're gonna make sure that you choose clips which actually look good and adjust the CC according to the clips. Now in this case, there's just too much red. I possibly cannot do anything with this. I can try taking off my CC, but it's still not gonna work, right? And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you learned something new in this video. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like and subscribe for more future content. And bye bye. Thank you.